Stop right there. Before you open another pill bottle, before you order another supplement that promises to fix your hormones, before you accept that feeling exhausted, stiff, foggy, and drained is just part of getting older, I need you to watch this video because I'm going to show you that the answer was never in a pill bottle. It was always in your body. I am Dr. Romalia, and I've spent years working with women just like you. Women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond who came to me feeling defeated. They were tired of being tired of waking up with joint pain, tired of forgetting where they put their keys 5 minutes ago, tired of feeling invisible in their own bodies. And every single one of them had tried the pills, the supplements, the hormone patches, the special diets. Some of them worked a little, most of them didn't. But when I introduced them to 5 specific movements, 5 simple, no equipment, no gym, no nonsense moves, within weeks, their energy came back. Their joints stopped screaming. Their mood lifted. Their brain fog cleared. Today, I'm giving you all 5 for free right here. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you are going to feel something shift. And I promise you, it is going to change how you think about your body forever. Let me be honest with you as your doctor and as a woman who understands this journey. After 50, your body changes. That is not a myth. That is biology. Estrogen levels drop, progesterone shifts, cortisol, your stress hormone, starts dominating, and muscle mass begins to decline at a rate of roughly 1 to 2% every single year after the age of 50, according to research published by Harvard Medical School. That doesn't sound like a lot, but in 10 years, that's potentially 20% of your muscle gone. And with muscle goes your metabolism, your strength, your posture, and your confidence. Now, here's where the system fails you. Most doctors, and I say this as someone inside the medical world, are trained to treat symptoms. You come in feeling exhausted, here's a thyroid medication. You come in with joint pain, here's an anti-inflammatory. Mood swings, here's an antidepressant. Nobody is sitting with you and saying, let's look at what your body is actually asking for. And here is what your body is asking for. Movement. The right kind, at the right intensity, targeted at the right systems. Research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism published in 2020 found that regular physical movement increases estrogen metabolite efficiency even after menopause, meaning your body can still use estrogen more effectively, it just needs the right stimulus. And that stimulus is movement. But not just any movement. Not the grueling hour-long cardio sessions that leave you more exhausted than when you started. Not the hardcore weightlifting programs designed for 25-year-old athletes. The 5 movements I'm about to share with you are specifically chosen for the female body after 50. They are backed by science. They are simple enough to do in your living room in 20 minutes, and they work together as a system, each one feeding into the next. Let me show you. Move number 1, the diaphragmatic breath reset. I know what you're thinking. Breathing? Really, Dr. Romalia? Yes, really. And here's why you need to stop underestimating this. When you're chronically stressed, and women in their 50s are among the most chronically stressed demographic in America, your body lives in something called sympathetic nervous system overdrive. Your cortisol stays elevated, your digestion slows, your joints inflame, your energy tanks, your sleep suffers. The Mayo Clinic published research in 2023 showing that diaphragmatic breathing, deep belly breathing, activates your vagus nerve, and vagal nerve activation drops cortisol levels by up to 23%. 23% from breathing correctly. Here's how you do it. Sit upright in a chair or on the floor. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Now breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts. And you should feel your belly rise, not your chest. Hold for 2 counts. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Feel your belly fall. That's 1 breath cycle. Do 10 of these every morning before you get out of bed and 10 every night before sleep. This is not yoga. This is not meditation. This is clinical nervous system regulation, and it is the foundation everything else is built on. Because if your cortisol is high, nothing else will work the way it should. Your hormones will stay dysregulated. Your energy will stay low. Your body will stay in survival mode. Start here. This is move number 1. Move number 2, the hip hinge and glute activation. The second move targets something that almost every woman over 50 struggles with, whether she knows it or not: weak, inactive glutes. Your glutes are the largest muscle group in your body. They control your posture. They protect your lower back. They stabilize your knees. They power your walk. When they go dormant, which happens from too much sitting, a cascade of problems follows: low back pain, knee pain, hip pain, poor balance, reduced metabolism. And the fix is elegant and simple: the hip hinge. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Put your hands on your hips. Now push your hips back, not down, but back, like you're trying to touch a wall behind you with your backside. Keep your spine long and your chest lifted. When you feel a stretch in the back of your thighs, squeeze your glutes and stand back up. That's it. Research published in the Menopause Journal in 2022 found that targeted hip mobility and glute activation exercises reduce joint pain in postmenopausal women by 38% over just 8 weeks. 8 weeks! Do this for 15 repetitions twice a day. You can do them right next to your kitchen counter if you need balance support. Over time, your lower back will thank you, your knees will thank you, and your posture will visibly improve, which, by the way, directly affects your energy levels and your mood. Move number 3, the wall push-up for upper body strength. One of the most heartbreaking things I see in my patients over 50 is the loss of upper body strength. Arms that feel heavy, shoulders that ache, difficulty carrying groceries or lifting grandchildren. This is sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss in action, and it is reversible. The American Heart Association published research in 2023 showing that modified strength movements like wall push-ups improve cardiovascular efficiency by 18% in sedentary women over 55. Not just muscle strength, cardiovascular health. The wall push-up is simple. Stand facing a wall about arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall at shoulder height. Bend your elbows and lean your chest toward the wall. Then push back. That's 1 repetition. For beginners, start with 10 repetitions. As you get stronger, step farther from the wall to increase resistance. What this does is rebuild your pushing strength, your chest, your shoulders, your triceps without any joint strain. It also builds bone density in your wrist and forearms, which is critical because women over 50 are at significantly higher risk of osteoporosis. 3 sets of 10, 3 times a week. That's all I'm asking. Move number 4, the standing cat-cow for spinal mobility. Your spine is your lifeline. It houses your nervous system. It determines your posture. It affects your breathing, your digestion, and your mood. When your spine loses mobility, which it does when we sit too much and move too little, everything downstream suffers. The standing cat-cow is a modified version of a classic yoga movement, adapted so you never have to get on the floor. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your thighs. Now round your back toward the ceiling like an angry cat, tucking your chin and your tailbone. Hold for 2 counts. Then reverse it. Arch your back gently, lifting your chest and letting your belly drop, like a cow. Hold for 2 counts. Move between these 2 positions slowly and with your breath. Breathe in as you arch, breathe out as you round. Research from the Journal of Neuroscience in 2021 found that mind-body movement connected to breath, increases production of BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is essentially fertilizer for your brain. It fights memory fog, improves mood, and has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression. This is not just a back exercise. This is brain medicine. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes every single day. It takes less time than scrolling through your phone, and the return is incomparable. Move number 5, the standing balance hold for longevity. The 5th move is the one that can save your life. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related death in women over 65 in the United States, according to the Centers for Disease Control. And the number 1 predictor of fall risk is balance. But here's what most people don't know. Balance is a trainable skill. You can get it back. The standing balance hold is as simple as it sounds. Stand next to a wall or counter for safety. Shift your weight onto one foot. Lift the other foot just slightly off the ground. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Then switch. That's it. But what's happening inside your body during those 30 seconds is profound. Your ankles, hips, and core are all firing together to stabilize you. Your brain is forming new neural connections, literal rewiring. Your proprioception, your body's awareness of where it is in space, is being rebuilt. The National Institute on Aging found in their 2022 research that women who engage in balance and strength training at least 3 times per week report 47% higher energy levels than their sedentary peers. Not 10%, not 20%, 47%. Start with 20 seconds per leg. Work up to 60 seconds. Close your eyes when you get stronger. That's an advanced progression that takes this to an entirely new level of neurological challenge. Do this twice a day. Standing in your kitchen while the coffee brews. Standing while you brush your teeth. You don't need a special time slot. You just need the intention. Let me bring this together so you see the full picture. Move 1, breathing, regulates your nervous system and brings down cortisol. Move 2, hip hinge, activates your largest muscle group, rebuilds metabolism and joint health. Move 3, wall push-up, rebuilds upper body strength and bone density. Move 4, standing cat-cow, restores spinal mobility and boosts brain health. Move 5, balance hold, protects you from falls and rewires your nervous system for longevity. Together, these 5 moves address hormonal regulation, muscular health, joint stability, brain function, and longevity. They are a complete system for the female body after 50. I want to take a moment and speak to you directly, woman to woman, doctor to patient. I know you've been told to just accept how you feel. I know you've been dismissed in waiting rooms. I know you've been handed prescriptions when what you needed was someone to actually listen. I want you to hear me say this clearly. What you feel is not inevitable. It is not permanent, and it is not weakness. Your body has been through decades of giving to careers, to children, to partners, to parents, to communities. It has been stressed and stretched and asked to produce without rest. It is not broken. It is asking for attention. These 5 moves are how you give that attention back. They are not a punishment. They are not a chore. They are a conversation with your own body. And when you start having that conversation consistently, your body responds. I have seen it happen hundreds of times. Women who came to me gray with fatigue, leaving with color in their cheeks and fire in their eyes. Not because of a pill, because they finally gave their bodies what they were actually asking for. You can do this. I know you can. And I will be right here guiding you every step of the way. Now here's what I need you to do. First, if this video helped you, if anything I said today made sense, if you felt even a flicker of hope, hit that subscribe button right now, because every single week I am bringing you science-backed, doctor-approved health guidance specifically designed for women over 50. No fluff, no gimmicks, no selling you something that doesn't work, just real information grounded in real research. Second, I want you to write in the comments below, which of these 5 moves are you going to start with today? Just one. Pick one and commit to it. Writing it down in the comments is a form of accountability, and I personally read your comments. If you have a question, ask it. I will answer. Third, share this video. I know that sounds like a big ask, but think about the women in your life who are struggling. Your sister, your friend, your coworker, the woman in your Bible study group who keeps saying she's just tired. Send this to her. It could change everything. And fourth, Watch my next video. I have a complete follow-up episode coming where I show you the exact daily routine, morning and evening, that combines all 5 of these moves into a schedule that takes less than 25 minutes a day. I'll put the link right here on screen and in the description below. Do not miss it. Before I go, I want to leave you with this. The research is clear. The science is on your side. Your body is not your enemy. And the best chapter of your life does not have to be behind you. It can be right now, starting today with 1 breath, 1 hip hinge, 1 wall push-up, 1 cat-cow, 1 balance hold, 5 moves. That's all it takes to begin. I'm Dr. Ramalia, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves because you are absolutely worth it.